So in this video I will show you how to use the connector. The first one is the wooden dowel. I love it because it's very cheap. You can get it for just a few cents each. It comes with a variety of lengths, so you can extend as long as you want, as complicated as you want. You can use use sandpapers to smooth it if you need to make it more rotate. And this is how you cut the wooden dowel, just using a knife cutter. Just put gently and roll it up. It's better if you use the big one. This one is a bit wobbly, just because it's small. And then after that you just cut it, and you can cut the excess with the knife. It's very easy to cut because the wood is soft. And if it's on the tip, so you cannot break it with your hand because it's too hard. So you just use pliers, and it will just break. Okay. Clean the excess with the knife, and your dowel is ready to be used on any kind of project. You can paint it also. And then there's also a chopstick. If you had them round, you can use it, but this chopstick diameter is not consistent. Sometimes you get big, sometimes it's too small, so I use it occasionally. And then on emergency I also use pencil, but you need to use the blocks as a jig so you can make it a little bit round. It's good actually, it has a good grip. And then there's also a straw. Sometimes I use it if I want to get the maximum rotation as it can get. So actually the block's hole diameter is 7 millimeters, so you can use any cylinders that had 7 millimeter diameter. You can also 3D print it if you want. Just create I normally use 6.8 millimeter when I 3D print it, or 6.6 if I want to make it more easy to rotate. So when I use it in straw, sometimes I put glue, whether it's a hot glue or power glue, so it can spin, depends on your need. So that's it for the stuff. Happy crafting. Don't forget to subscribe and support Blocky Code as the open source learning tools. Thank you.